Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sewing projects is probably one of the most rewarding activities for kids. Sewing not only sparks creativity but also enhances fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic sewing projects perfect for children of all ages and skill levels, from beginner-friendly crafts to more advanced creations that will keep your kids engaged and entertained for hours. Number 5. Klutz Sew Mini Animals Craft Kit. Introducing the Klutz Sew Mini Animals Craft Kit. This award-winning kit is perfect for anyone looking to get creative. It's a fun and engaging way to learn how to sew. Don't worry if you've never sewn before. This kit is designed for beginners. The instructions are super clear and easy to follow, so you can start creating right away. These small projects stitch up quickly, providing hours of fun. It's a great way to learn a new skill and create adorable mini animals. You'll be amazed at what you can make. Each project comes with super clear instructions. The included 48-page book guides you through every step. It makes the whole process simple and enjoyable. This kit is perfect for kids aged 8 and up. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and develop fine motor skills. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This kit is a Parents' Choice Award winner, so you know it's a great choice. It requires no prior sewing experience, making it perfect for beginners. If you are looking for a quick and fun project that provides instant gratification, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions were clear, and the included materials were high quality. It has a cute image for each animal pattern and has stencils for making the perfect shape, smiley face. It has a nice variety of creatures and difficulty levels, fairly flat stuffies like the penguin, whale and bat, two sides and belly like the hedgehog and seal, four-legged animals that can stand on their legs like the fox and raccoon, and animals based on sewing a 4-piece ball and adding features like the panda and owl. Number 4. CiyvoLyeen Wild Bird Sewing Kit for Kids. This kit is perfect for young beginners. It includes everything they need to create adorable felt bird projects. It's a fun and engaging way to spark their creativity. The kit comes with pre-cut felt pieces and pre-punched holes. The instructions are easy to follow, so they can complete the projects without glue. Family and friends can join in the fun. This sewing kit makes a great gift for children. It's ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It helps them improve their concentration and develop their hands-on skills. The kit includes 9 little birds, a tree, and 2 birdhouses. Once they're done, they can decorate their room. They can hang them on a tree or use them as Christmas decorations. This kit inspires kids' imagination and improves their hands-on skills. It can also be used as an educational tool. It allows for effective intellectual and mental development. What we like. This kit offers 12 different bird projects, providing a variety of options. It's designed for beginners with pre-cut felt and easy instructions. If you are looking for a kit that can also be used as decorations, this is a great choice. You can hang them around the room. What people say. 9 and 10 years olds were able to follow instructions independently, and the final products were beautiful. All needed pieces are in place and well organized: bodies, cutouts, thread, needles, scissors, stuffing. The pieces are of brightly colored felt, pre-punched for stitching as described. Number 3. KRAFUN Sewing Kit for Beginner Kids. This sewing kit is a great way to introduce kids to arts and crafts. It comes in a beautiful, reusable box, perfect for gifting. It's a fun way for children to learn and develop their creativity. The kit includes everything needed to make 7 different projects, such as bags, ornaments, and pillows. It comes with step-by-step instructions, making it easy and stress-free to learn. This kit is ideal for children aged 5 and up who are just starting to learn sewing. Families and friends can also join in the fun and complete the crafts together. The kit includes safe plastic needles and materials from reliable sources. All products are thoroughly tested to ensure children can enjoy them without any worries. No glue is required, and there's no mess. The fabric pieces have pre-punched holes and pre-cut shapes. Simply follow the instructions with the plastic needle or your hands. What we like. This kit allows you to create 7 different projects. It uses safe plastic needles and pre-cut shapes, ensuring a safe and mess-free experience. If you like a kit that is easy to use and great for beginners, this is the perfect choice. It will keep your kids focused on their creativity. What people say. The kit is well organized, with everything clearly labeled and easy to follow. The materials were high quality, vibrant, and safe for little hands, and the kit had just the right balance of challenge and fun to keep her engaged. Great instruction and clever projects. Number 2. Woodland Animals Sewing Kit for Kids. This adorable sewing kit is perfect for kids. It encourages hand sewing and creative play, making it a great gift for children ages 7 to 12. The kit comes with everything needed to get started. It includes pre-cut animal projects, embroidery thread, needles, pins, scissors, glue, stuffing, and a carry case. It's ideal for playdates and birthdays. The kit includes easy-to-follow instructions and supplies for multiple kids to enjoy the fun together. This kit helps children develop important skills. It encourages imagination, builds confidence, and teaches practical skills like sewing. Engaging in hands-on activities makes kids happier. It also teaches them about themselves, others, and the world around them. What we like. This kit features adorable woodland animal projects. It includes everything you need to get started, from pre-cut felt to stuffing. If you are looking for a kit that encourages imagination and develops practical skills, this is the one for you. It will help kids learn about themselves and the world. What people say. It comes with the materials to make 5 woodland animals, a fox, a chickadee, an owl, a rabbit, and a bear, as well as the tools to make them, minus the scissors. The box itself is also well made, and he's taken to sometimes carrying it around even when he's not going to make an animal right then. The cutouts of the animals are precisely made, high-quality needles, pins, and even the scissors are great. Number 1. Hapinest Potholders Weaving Loom Kit for Kids. This weaving loom kit comes with everything needed to get started. It includes a metal loom, colorful loops, and all the tools you'll need. It's perfect for beginners. With this kit, kids can design and weave their own potholders. They can mix and match the colorful loops to create unique patterns. It's a great way to encourage creativity. This loom kit is ideal for group activities like parties and playdates. Multiple children can weave their own creations together. It's a fun way to bond and explore creative skills. Looking for a great gift? This kit encourages creativity and craft skills. It's an engaging gift for birthdays and holidays. It's suitable for kids ages 6 and up. The loom is easy to use, with simple instructions to follow. Kids can create colorful patterns with ease. This set includes everything needed for fun and creative weaving projects. What we like. This kit comes with a potholder loom, allowing you to create functional items. You can make 6 unique potholders with this kit. If you are looking for a fun group activity, this is a great choice. It's perfect for playdates or parties. What people say. The loom is very sturdy and painted nicely. Grandchild loves this loom. Very sturdy and comes with lots of loops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.